Welcome to TNT. This week we are in the historic Keys, and I'm standing in Key West right now. And we're going to be fishing with Bobby Nichols of Nichols Custom Guns. It's going to be a great time, so let's get started.
TNT Outdoor Explosion is brought to you by Prime Real Estate Group, where experience has its rewards. ESP Digital Hearing Protection. Empower your hearing. HuntingTrophy.com. Logistics experts.
All right, we're at the DFW airport and we are just about to board a plane to Miami, and then we're going to be driving down to the Florida Keys, and we're going to be spending some time with Nichols Guns. He's got a great place down in the Keys he's invited us to. We're going to do a little fishing and spend some time with the guys from Nichols Guns. So I'm looking forward to an excellent trip. The Keys. Okay, we've just arrived in Miami. We've just got our bags and we're now headed to get the rental car, and it's off to the Florida Keys. Let's go. Well, the good news is we made it. Long drive, but we are in the Keys. It's after midnight, so we're in pretty late, so hopefully we can sleep in a little bit in the morning. But right now we got to get unpacked. I'm tired.
We are in the Keys this morning, and the locals here said that this was a place that we had to come, was to feed the tarpons. And it's a wonder that I still have my fingers because they nearly bit them off. But these guys are huge, and we've been feeding them chum, and it is the most fun I've ever had in the morning after breakfast. So you need to come do this. Well, the weather the first day wasn't ideal for fishing, so after breakfast, we headed to Key West for a day of fun.
All right, well, we're here at Key West, and this week we're out with Nichols Guns, and they have a really great place here in the Keys. And we're going to be fishing in the Coast Guard fishing tournament. But before we get to all the fishing, we're going to take a day and have some fun in Key West and see what all this is about. It's my first time here, so we're really excited, and we're going to go for a little walk, see what we can find to get in trouble with. It'll be fun.
Right back with more action from Key West. So we are at Peppers of Key West, obviously in Key West, Florida, and Scott here, the cameraman, has thrown the gauntlet, and he says that he can eat hotter things than I can. The competition is on. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Yeah, I have more muscle than you. It's on.
You realize I don't lose at anything, right?
Me either.
I'll do this till my face falls off. Oh, that's good.
It
What's
is
that
good.
one?
I like that was my favorite so far.
This one here is called Khan's Island sauce.
You got the hottest one of all out here.
It gets that. Oh snap!
He's taking the training wheels off.
Well, we've passed the chip test, and he's told us that this next one would probably actually melt the chip.
They're crazy. They're idiots.
She's not wrong.
Woo! She gets hot as she goes.
Oh, now we're going to toothpicks.
That's nice and close.
You agreed with this.
I do
Remember
agree.
that.
Go. Go. You win. Winner of the competition right here. You want to lick my toothpick as well?
Oh my God.
A real woman knows when to quit.
Well, I guess I won, or at least in the competition. I didn't win in life.
Well, after an amazing day in Key West, we head back to the hotel. We were up early the next morning to start fishing.
Okay, well, the fun has really just begun. We've done a lot of great things so far on this trip, but it's time to get serious. We're going out fishing today, and we're going to do a pre-fish for the tournament and see if maybe we can find something to catch. Right now, we got to get the rest of the boat loaded, get the rods in, and we'll be ready to go. Well, on the first day, we were having a great time and had hooked up on quite a few mahi-mahi, but unfortunately, the steering went out on the boat. So our next priority was trying to figure out how to get 30 miles across the ocean back to Key West. Well, thanks to Bobby's navigational skills, he was able to get us back safely to land by steering with the engines, and he immediately called a mechanic so that we could be back on the water the next morning. Okay, well, it's another morning. It's actually the day before the tournament, and we went out yesterday to do a pre-fish, and unfortunately, we had some issues. We lost our steering. So we actually made it back into the dock, got that fixed yesterday afternoon, and hopefully today we'll have no other issues and we'll be able to do a complete pre-fish. So we're looking forward to this.
We might even sneak in a little snorkeling after we're done fishing. We'll see what the weather holds for the day, but we're pretty excited. We get the last snorkeling gear loaded, and we're ready to go.
Well, for the majority of the day, we didn't even have a nibble. So tired and starting to lose hope, we turned around to make our way back to land. About that time, the reels started spinning.
Okay, folks, welcome to a 2-hour episode of TNT Outdoor Explosion. Because it's going to take at least that long for us to get these two huge bull dolphin in. BJ and I both hooked up right about the same time, and we've already been fighting them for a while, and mine's still taking lines. So the good news is, guns and drugs and Nichols guns. It's not all about the guns, folks. They clearly know what they're doing in the water too.
I think mine might have swallowed a boat anchor.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
What a dolphin! Holy
Holy
snap!
snap.
Have to kind of hold them upside down.
Okay, folks, Nichols guns, also drugs and guns. Here in the Florida Keys, we just caught this absolutely ridiculous monster buffalo on the pre-fish day. Perfect. This was tomorrow, we'd have definitely won the tournament, but this fish is 50+ pound buffalo dolphin. So,
You're tired.
buffalo, I'm tired. So anyway, it's a fish. I'm out. Well, that evening we took the fish to a local restaurant and they cooked them up for us. Talk about from water to the table. It doesn't get any fresher than that.
I'm the commanding officer of Station Island Mirada. I've been in the Coast Guard. It's going to be 17 years this July. We do a lot of law enforcement. We do a lot of search and rescue. We do a lot of pollution prevention. And it's really good to be that call, that person that receives that call to go save somebody or make a difference. We've been doing this fishing tournament. It's called the Dolphin Rodeo, sponsored by several associations involved with the Coast Guard. And what we do is we open it up to the community and Coast Guard members come down and fish, and we promote basically a lot of community outreach stuff and just have us hang out with the community. So a lot of things we do is raise money to allow associations to help our own when they're in times of need. So it actually gives back to our guys.
Well, the day has finally come. It is, sun's just coming up good here, and we're about to head out for the Coast Guard Mai Mai tournament. And our team is Team Guns and Drugs. And this is Bobby Nichols with Nichols Custom Guns. He used to be a pharmacist, hence the name Guns and Drugs. So we're here at his boat. We're about to get the rest of the details loaded, and we're gonna make a long run out and see if we can find the big fish that'll win the tournament. Biggest fish that our boat reeled in for the day was by Bobby's son. So it's just a matter of time of waiting for everyone else to bring their fish in to see how we stacked up.
I'm Bobby Nichols. I'm here with Eddie Opesa. I've just made this gun for him and he wanted the raffle. At the gun store we do custom guns. This one we Cerakoted and then we etched into it the Coast Guard. We put white enamel paint on the inside. We can do any kind of custom gun work you want. So here you go, Eddie.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Very excited.
Well, unfortunately, the fish wasn't quite big enough to win. Regardless of the outcome, we were so happy to get to participate in an awesome event and spend some time with our friends at Nichols Custom Guns.
Wow, what an absolutely incredible time we had in Key West. All the fishing, the food, just all the fun down there was awesome, and spending time with Bobby and his family was a real pleasure. Hey, if you'd like to find out more information about Nichols Custom Guns or the show, be sure and look us up on our website or on Facebook. Thank you for watching this week, and until next week, remember, do what you love, and share it with your family.
Closed captioning brought to you by ESP America. TNT Outdoor Explosion is brought to you by Prime Real Estate Group, where experience has its rewards. ESP Digital Hearing Protection. Empower your hearing. HuntingTrophy.com. Logistics experts.
And right now we are in Key West. We're going to be there you go. Yep, that's me. And we are fishing in a golf tournament. A golf tournament. How do you fish in a golf tournament? That's pretty impressive. Four.
My mouth is still on fire from the woman there.
How's your throat?
How's your throat? Because mine's closing up.